Hello guys, welcome to Eagle Eye FX, and if today is your first time here on this channel, remember to like and to subscribe and to share this video. Help us to grow, help us to reach out to many people, help us to reach out to many traders to help them in their trading career. Now in today's video we are talking about gold and how to trade gold. Okay, how to trade gold like the banks do trade gold. Now I'm on a daily time frame, and from a daily time frame you can see that gold has been making some sort of like lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower high, like that. But something interesting happened here, and gold formed a double bottom. Now look, I'm on a daily time frame, so this is very serious, and this is very important to me because this could even though gold has been on a downward trend, this double bottom here could be some sort of confirmation to me that gold is about to change its direction and to go back to to start buying now. All right, so now let me go down to a 4-hour time frame. Then we'll see how we'll have done this. Okay, so going down to the 4 hours time frame, the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so let me zoom this out. So let's assume that you drew your zone here. Okay, and the reason why you drew your zone here, let me extend this a bit. The reason why you drew your zone here is because of this. Okay, there's a rejection here to the top, then it's broken, and then there's here a rejection to the bottom, then there's a break, fake out, break, and then there's a support up, and then it's broken now, and then it has come back. So if it breaks and comes down, some consolidation, and then I'll be interested in a buy, put my stop loss down here, buy here, and target 2 times or 3 times. Okay, so we are going to play it out and see how gold will have played out on this particular setup. Then we see if you can get some buying opportunities. All right, so let's play it and see. Okay, that's a very good breakout. All right, okay, so I wouldn't want to enter immediately. See, like this one, it broke and then came down. Here also it broke and came down, but I want to break and do some sort of retest, then I'll be interested in buy. All right, then what happened? It came down. Okay, came down to do some sort of retest. All right, and that's beautiful because I see a pin bar there. See that a pin bar there. If I zoom it and see, this is a very beautiful pin bar, and to me that's a sign of reversal. All right, so what do I do? I'll enter my my buy position here, then I'll put my stop loss here, then I'll target 3 times. Now that's very risky because if you put your stop loss too tight here, if you put your stop loss here, then it means that this is very dangerous because it can easily come back again and then go up. All right, so this is how an inexperienced rookie trader will do, but I would prefer to put my stop loss below the zone there. Okay, and maybe target this point here. Gold came all the way up to here, there. All right, let's change this color. Then maybe that's 2 times, I guess. Yeah, let's just go for 2 times. Yeah, we don't want to be greedy, so we just want to go for 2 times and see if you can be able to get it. And let's see how gold played out. Fantastic. So you can see that it went up, came down again, and then it went to hit our 3 times. So these are very simple strategy. There was no drawdown or anything. We just we traded on a break and retest. Then when we did not enter immediately, but when we saw this a pin bar here, let me remove this. So when we saw this pin bar here, this particular pin bar here, that's at the close of it, that's when we entered, put our stop loss below there. We don't want to put your stop loss too tight, then targeted 2 times. All right, okay guys, so that was a simple and straightforward win. So now let's assume that this zone, you do not draw this zone here, but assuming you drew this zone here, let's assume that maybe you drew the zone here, all right? You drew the zone here. So instead of drawing it here, you drew here. And why did you draw it there? Because you see rejection here, and there's another rejection here, then there's another rejection here, then this was a fake out, fake out, and then you see and there's this rejection here to the downward this way, then it has come back. Now assuming that that's what happened, yeah, so maybe you drew your zone at that particular place, then what will you do? Still the strategy is the same. I'll wait for a breakout, a retest, and then I'll be interested in buy. All right, okay, so let's see how that one could have played out. Okay, let's put this one about here. All right, so let's play it and see. Okay, that's a nice breakout. Okay, all right, but I don't want to enter, or I'll not recommend to enter immediately, because you see, like this one, it was a fake out consolidation, then it went down. So a breakout, retest, and then I will be interested in buy. Okay, and you can see that, look, it came back all the way down. Okay, right, now let's play it and see. All right, that's a nice one. All right, so perhaps, yeah, when it comes back down again, so I'll be interested. I know it's going, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's a nice one. That's a very nice pin bar. All right, now it doesn't matter if the pin bar is facing up, if it's a bullish or bearish pin bar. To me, it really doesn't matter. Okay, so now I'll take my buy tool, then I put my buy here, then I'll put my stop loss here, then I'll target let's say 3 times. All right, now this is a mistake that most people make. Okay, then you can see here, because of this low and this low, you've come to put your stop loss there. Right, this is very, very, very dangerous. Okay, and this is how a rookie trader will put their stop loss. So for me, I'll rather put my stop loss somewhere around down there. Okay, you see, lower than this, and then perhaps now target 2 times. Let's see if you can get 2 times. Now I know somebody might say that that's a very big stop loss. Right, now you see, the thing is that the size of the stop loss, to me, it doesn't matter, as long as the risk to reward is still the same. Because if maybe your stop loss is 10 pips and you are targeting 20 pips, that is 1:2. If my stop loss is 200 pips and I'm targeting 400 pips or something of the sort, then it's still 1:2. So for me, it really doesn't matter where my stop loss is. All right, okay, so let's play it and see. You see, so just with one bar, if you could have placed your stop loss here, then you see that you've been smashed out. Okay, let's play it on. Then it came down again, and you see it came down, 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 down. Right, see, we put our stop loss below this one here. Then what happened? Let's play it and see. Good. Then you can see that it went all the way to hit our 2 times. Right, so you see that if you have placed your stop loss here, we have put this white line here, then you see that it came and smashed you. Right, but since we put our stop loss below this level here, and came, then went up again, and then came all the way to hit our 2 times reward. All right, guys, so that is the strategy that I want to share with you on how to trade gold. Make sure to watch out, because more videos are coming, more educational content are coming. Leave us a comment on what you'd like us to do a video on, and we'll see you on the next video. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.